You know, back in my day, if you wanted to invest, you bought land, gold, or stocks. Nothing digital, nothing invisible.
Ha ha ha! Times have changed, Grandpa. Have you ever heard of Bitcoin?
Sounds like something you order at an arcade. We believed in things you could touch. Real estate, for example. You buy a house, you see it, you live in it, or rent it out. Tangible. And gold. That's shiny trust.
Ha ha! Sounds solid.
Exactly. Stocks were the riskiest thing we'd go for. And even then, you'd call your broker on the phone.
No apps?
Apps were appetizers, kiddo.
Now, meet cryptocurrency. It's digital money. Bitcoin is the first and most famous one.
You mean like monopoly money?
Kind of, but people actually spend it. And it's powered by something called blockchain.
Sounds like a Lego set.
Haha. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger. No banks, no middlemen. Just a network of computers verifying every transaction.
And who watches the computers?
The network itself, it's transparent. Anyone can verify the transactions.
No bankers in suits?
Nope, just miners in hoodies. When someone sends Bitcoin, it gets verified by computers called miners. They solve math puzzles to confirm transactions.
So math nerds are now the new bankers?
Pretty much. And when they solve a puzzle, they get rewarded in Bitcoin.
So it's like Sudoku with a paycheck.
Ha ha ha. Not a bad way to put it.
But where does the value come from? If it's not shiny like gold?
Scarcity and trust. There'll only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That's it. No more printing like dollars.
Aha, so it's digital gold.
Exactly. And the more people believe in it, the more valuable it becomes.
Kind of like Beanie Babies, but with grown-ups.
With a bit more math and less stuffing. Bitcoin's value can go up and down quickly. It's not stable like a house.
So it's like the stock market, but on caffeine.
Exactly. But with potential for big gains or losses.
Sounds like gambling with extra steps.
Some people think so, but it's also a hedge against inflation, and it gives access to people who don't have banks.
Now that I can respect.
You can use Bitcoin to buy things now. Cars, coffee, even donate to charities.
Can I buy pie?
If the bakery accepts it, yes.
Well then, I'm in. As long as there's pie.
Some people think in the future we'll all use digital currency. No wallets, just apps.
Apps again. You kids love your apps.
And maybe even central banks will create digital currencies. It's called CBDC.
Sounds like a medical condition.
Ha ha ha. It stands for Central Bank Digital Currency.
If they name it after a sandwich, I'll invest. Well, I still like my golden land. But I gotta admit, Bitcoin's kinda interesting.
Told ya. Maybe next week I'll teach you about NFTs.
NFTs? That's just alphabet soup to me.
Oh, Grandpa. If Grandpa has time, I will show you my Bitcoin portfolio.